Real trades by real people using the HVAs that only we call out the night before.
Target Trading Academy.
All right, we just took this trade here in the ES. Trying to move this. Not an ideal trade. This is more of an advanced trade for us here. We've already attempted, I don't know if you can tell, here, we got out break even when we doubled down. It just wasn't wanting to give just yet, so we needed to give them the room to breathe to come back up for that expansion, back up towards a unsaid area. It's classified. You'd have to check us out. Just teasing. Anyways, we're looking for a trail here for a specific target. We'll see if that happens. First two times it just stalled out, so we're gonna be a little bit more cautious on this one. We don't have. I'm not gonna post those videos of those other entries here. They're just not worth it. It's just watching it come back to that area and going sideways. So just talking about them, right? You can see we're at 1,042.50. That just shows that we were better than break even on those trades from our previous oil trades that we had today. We're gonna keep this target here and then let the auto trail kick in for us. So first target is officially filled. That's, another 50, 60 bucks or so, 70 bucks, I believe. Locked in, and now we're looking for a trail to a specific target. We're going to let auto trail come into play here, and we'll let this video play out. All right, I took that chart away. I was showing students in our room that trade that I had taken for their eyes and context. It's easier to talk about a trade when you're showing it happen in real life instead of on other charts. But we're letting this thing trail. We are hitting some resistance now, right? So it's going to be key to break through this. If we don't break through it, then obviously our trailing stop is going to get hit. But we'll see. For those of you wondering, yes, our target is here at 43.27.25. If we hit it, that's remains to be seen. We do have a trailing stop that is tightening up after so many moves up, etc. In an ideal world, it would go up to the target, but we're more likely going to get stopped out because we do have other areas of support and resistance that we're going to be running into before we see it move to that area. So we'll really just see what happens then, but fairly confident this is where it's going. And if, don't take my word for it, check the markets afterwards, let me know. It's currently, 11:32, July 6th. That's Eastern time. So, we'll see. If it does or doesn't matter. I still made money. Are you able to say that? All right, bunch of volume here. If there's anywhere we're gonna get stopped out, it'll be around this area. We just have a ton of volume in this area, ton of sideways movement. Not a bad place to be stopped out because so far, we've got a ton of money locked in, and this is on the micros. For those of you who are wondering again, it is 11:40 a.m. Eastern, July 6th. So we'll see what happens. I still wager it's going to be coming up to this area of 43.27.25-ish. If we make it there with our trail, who knows? like I said, we're either going to be stopped out here. If anywhere, it'll be here in this area. There's just a ton of volume. But more than likely, we still will be going up towards that 43, 27, 25 area, even if we get stopped out with our trail. But we still made money, right? You have to look at it that way. You still made money. You can't get greedy. But we'll see what happens. I still wager that we'll go up to that 43, 27, 25 mark. All right, stop was filled. We're up now just over $1,300, almost $1,400 in the micro ES. Remember, we had 1, 2, right? We took one here. We doubled down on this one. Break even. It just wasn't giving. And 3, right? So that's 3 technically trades. None of them were losers. All winners in the micro ES. And then we had 2 in oil earlier this morning. So we are up just under $1,400. I will not force you to sit here and have it fast forward to go to the area, but we'll see what happens at the end of the day. All right, look at that. Look where we're at. We got to that area that I was just talking about. Now this was clipped, so you didn't have to even watch the fast forward of it coming down, but it did go lower, right? More so than I thought it would. But there's our trail that we had. It came down here to our other area that was marked. Excuse me. HVA area that Patrick gives each night is now up there to that area that we were just talking about earlier today. So come check us out, targettradingacademy.com. Come learn more, get a free lesson with one of our representatives.